The G.SKILL RipjawsV Series 128GB DDR4 RAM kit provides an elite memory solution for power users and professionals who require massive capacity alongside high-speed stability. This kit includes four 32GB unbuffered modules, totaling 128GB of non-ECC memory, specifically engineered to handle memory-intensive tasks such as 4K video editing, complex 3D rendering, and heavy virtualization. Operating at 3,600 metric tons per second with tested timings of CL18-22-22-42 at 1.35V. These modules deliver the high bandwidth performance necessary to eliminate bottlenecks in professional workstations. Each module is built with the finest components and undergoes a rigorous validation process across major motherboard brands to ensure best-in-class reliability. The RipjawsV series is designed with focus on functional compatibility, featuring a 42mm module height that allows it to fit comfortably under most oversized aftermarket CPU heatsinks. The sleek, classic black aluminum heat spreaders are not merely for aesthetics. They provide efficient thermal dissipation during prolonged, high-load processing sessions to maintain system integrity. With support for Intel XMP 2.0, achieving the rated frequency is a simple set-and-go process in the BIOS, provided the CPU and motherboard support the 3,600 metric tons per second speed. Whether you are managing massive genome datasets or running multiple high-demand applications simultaneously, this quad-channel kit offers professional precision and overhead needed for mission-critical digital workflows. It remains a dependable choice for enthusiasts who prioritize maximum RAM headroom and long-term hardware durability. Backed by G.SKILL's limited lifetime warranty,